Understanding Dionysus, more than just a name. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, Dionysus. You might have heard this name in various contexts, and today, we're going to explore its meanings, origins, and how it is used in modern English. So, let's dive right in. Dionysus is actually a name that comes from ancient Greek mythology. Dionysus was the god of wine, fertility, and theater, among other things. He was known for his ability to bring joy and divine ecstasy, but also for bringing chaos and madness. The worship of Dionysus was marked by wild parties and festivities, something that reflects the dual nature of his character. Dionysus is often associated with the concept of duality. He represents not just the joy of life and the pleasures of wine and festivities, but also the chaos and madness that can come with it. In literature and art, Dionysus is often used as a symbol to explore these themes of balance, excess, and the dual nature of life. In modern times, the name Dionysus has transcended its mythological origins and can be found in various aspects of culture. For instance, you might hear it in songs, see it in literature, or encounter it in discussions about theater and the arts. However, it is important to note that when used in a modern context, Dionysus often carries with it the symbolism and themes associated with the god from ancient Greek mythology. Now, let's talk about how you can use Dionysus in a sentence. Since it is a proper noun, you will always start it with a capital letter. Here are a couple of examples. The play explores themes of ecstasy and chaos, reminiscent of Dionysus, the ancient Greek god of wine. Her artwork is heavily influenced by Dionysian themes, capturing the dual nature of joy and madness. Note that Dionysian is an adjective form derived from Dionysus, and is used to describe things related to or characteristic of Dionysus and his associated themes. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope that this video has helped shed some light on the fascinating topic of Dionysus and its rich history and symbolism. Whether you encounter this name in a book, in a song, or in a classroom discussion, you now have the knowledge to understand and appreciate its deep and dual meanings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging language learning content. See you next time.